30 kilometre drive into Port Augusta from here. Good morning, it's 7:32. I was initially thinking, right, I'll have some brekkie and get myself sorted, and we'll wander the town around about 8:15, 8:20, find the place where I'm going to, and then I can make sure that I'm there at the front door at the time. But looking at the clock, it's 7 o'clock. Do I want to mess everything up at this point in time? I figured out no. Let's instead, let's just drive into town now, see where we go from there. So here we go. We might even be naughty and grab a Macca's or something for breakfast.
Head north towards National Highway A1, then slight right onto National Highway A1.
On our way. So that's Lincoln Gap, and we spent the night there.
National Highway A1 for 28 kilometres.
Yeah, pulled in there yesterday afternoon, set the Jenny up, ran it for 2.5 hours or so. Now there's a bigger site right there as well, which is probably where I should have stayed. Anyway, that's beside the point. It didn't matter. I ran the Jenny for a couple of hours, 2.5 hours, something like that. Got the batteries up. I watched a bit of telly last night, and then just did some quiet stuff, and then I went to bed. Actually, as it turned out, 11 o'clock anyway. But there was traffic along the highway, of course, but that didn't worry me too much. So now it's into town. There's a bit of a sunrise happening over there at the moment. We're now on the outskirts of Port Augusta. Coles. That's the place I had the, is it? No, it's not. I thought it was. I know it was a BP, that's right, further down. Experience where I went in and I had a pie and ordered a coffee or something or other, and coffee never came, and I think it was only me there. And when I eventually went to the guy and said, how's that coffee coming? He said, I wondered who that was for. Oh, bloody hell. And then there was a few other things as well happened, and you just wander sometimes. Anyway, we got through it. Okay, so that was breakfast.
In 400 metres, turn left. Take the next left, then you will arrive at your destination. You have arrived.
Okay, so $438 later, we have a new hatch over the shower, and the water pump is working perfectly at this point in time. We found a rust spot, and so we started scraping around the rust spot, and the rust spot became a hole. It became a bigger hole, and then a bigger hole. So he told me about the situation. They actually had another roof hatch. It's an insurance job waiting, and they stole that apparently from an insurance thing, and it's been fitted. So that is good. What we need to do now is go and get some food And then had a look at the pump and a couple of things that just weren't hooked up properly. So he's fixed that as well. And I haven't had that sort of water pressure in there for a long time. Things are looking or feeling better at the moment. It's 12:36, so I was there for 3.5 hours. Yeah, I hope we can get somewhere close to this place. It's really a bit chockers now compared to what it was. Okay, we have made the decision to go to Anguston. It's about 290k, I think it is, south of here. Yeah, 297 kilometres. So we're doing around about a 600 kilometre add-on to the trip. And go down and catch up with Kevin and Liz Linky. We'll just take our time. Done our shopping, so we're stocked up with food. And we head back out of town again. I wanted the pie as well. No wonder it's so cheap. Okay, we're back on the road again. We're going to do the coastal route down the west coast road down the hill. Last time we did this was in 2004, and I was going the other way. I have to say that the Wakefield Highway needs plenty of work on it. In the seal is all good, but geez, it's rough. I'm not sure what that little place was called. It's something like Wolf Inch Gun Shop written on one of the signs, but apparently they've just driven past a rest area. I don't know what that was. Didn't see it. There certainly seems to be enough overtaking lanes, so that's one thing about it. Hello, what have we got down here? Police car? Maybe. We are 5 kilometres out of Crystal Brook. Historic rail trail, that's interesting. That is to Crystal Brook and Borough, and I have been that way. Came in from there in 2014, I think it might have been. 2013 at least. Hello, got a whole heap of these things. We have friends all travelling together or something. Maybe they don't even know each other, but some interesting. Try again. Some interesting cloud formations. I don't know how noticeable they are just straight out, but certainly through the Polaroids. Yeah, then what's this rest area like? I guess it's just a drive in and a drive out. I've got a feeling I've looked at this one before. There's like a fence down one side of it. Or will it? Or will it? Yeah, that doesn't look too bad. Okay, it actually is in a gateway, or a farmer's gateway, but we're out of the way of that. So I think this might do the job. A bit noisy, but what the hell? If you enjoyed this video, there's over 200 more just like it on this channel. Subscribe and hit the notification bell and we'll let you know when our next video is available. If you liked this video, hit the like button. And if you weren't that impressed, please don't hit the dislike button. Instead, tell us why, so that we can do something about it. Thanks for watching.